the Electrolux Cordless 2-in-1 Vacuum. The powerful motorized nozzle removes ultrafine dirt and dust from common surfaces, which makes the Cordless 2-in-1 the perfect choice for all floor types. Enabled with flexible cleaning options, the 180-degree Easy Steer technology, and LED lit nozzles, the can effortlessly maneuver hard-to-reach areas and highlight undetectable dust and dirt. The versatile integrated hand unit allows you to tackle tough areas, such as your car's interior or your couch's cushions. The is adaptable enough to meet a wide variety of cleaning needs. Maintenance is effortless with our specialized brush roll clean technology, which prevents buildup in the nozzle by cleaning hairs and fibers with just a touch of a button, for a powerful and effortless cleaning experience.